In 2007, under the banner of Goodyear, we opened the Vulco Truck Tyre Service Center in the heart of Ghana's developmental capital, Tema City. Located in close proximity to both the harbor and major transport offices, our Truck Tyre Service Center is the ideal location for world-class truck tire management facilities for all major businesses. Our center is equipped with the latest high-tech machinery imported from Italy and Germany, such as semi-automatic tire changers, computerized alignment machines, balancing machines, solid tire pressing, specialized repair equipment, and tire management software. And it is run by experienced professionals and skilled staff with world-class in-house and overseas training. Our service center has a simple yet effective workflow to ensure clients' time isn't wasted and operations are efficient. As soon as the truck comes into the service center, it is led by 2 skilled employees into a proper parking spot. If it is a simple tire management issue, our professional expert known as a vulcanizer will automatically be deployed for pre-inspection and inflation correction using a truck force inspection sheet. Otherwise, we will sit with the customer to identify the needed requirements. In all cases, a pre-inspection of the truck is made. After receiving the pre-inspection report, the vulcanizer will share the recommendations with the client. Upon approval of recommendations, the different services will be assigned and a delivery time will be set. After the tasks are complete, post-inspection of the truck tires are made before it leaves the service center. Due to the success of the Truck Tire Service Center, we decided to expand into customized solutions to further improve tire performance for our clients and their businesses. We started Mobile Truck Force, on-site consultancy, and on-site tire management. Our Mobile Truck Force is a concept derived from Goodyear. It is a mobile service station equipped with state-of-the-art tools and a compressor to accommodate our fleet customers on site. Staffed with 1 supervisor and 1 technician, our station is able to give fleet analysis and recommendations, conduct air pressure checks and adjustments, fit truck tires, make repairs, prepare technical reports. An inspection report is given to the client on site, and a comprehensive report is later received with detailed analysis of the inspection. The main objective of our Mobile Truck Force is to be preventive rather than reactive, so customers can maximize performance and productivity. Our full range of truck tire services, from our Vulco Truck Tire Service Center to our customized solutions, enables clients to ensure that each of their truck tires on the road is operating at full performance for enhanced business productivity.